Okay, what now? I was gonna upload my video. Looking ants. What the heck?
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Oh, SVR.
West Central Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, northern Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, east central Salem County in
Oh, Salem County's in it.
southeastern Gloucester County in southern New
Salem
Jersey.
County KIH is in it.
At 7:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Seabrook Farms or near Bridgeton, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source,
Look at the beach. Staten Island.
minor damage to vehicles if possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Current location. Carry a room on the lowest floor of a building. Large-scale and damaging wind, frequent sound like a clearing with the storm to heat. Remove the doors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to the really large flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties.
Okay, doubleheader? What in the heck, dude? Come on. Now a doubleheader, bruh. Great.
Saturday night.
What the heck? Bruh. Okay, SMW from LWX now. What the heck? That's great, Baltimore. Eastern Bay. I don't know if it was for Eastern Bay. Alright, Baltimore. Alright. SMW from Baltimore, bro. 40 knots.
Love Point, Gunpowder River, Baltimore Light, Northeast River, 7-Foot Knoll, Dobbins Island, and Sandy Point State Park.
Bro, triple header? Bro, are you serious right now? Oh, come on.
Winds 5 to 15
Really?
knots.
Now a triple header? Come on, KIH28. You seriously got a triple header, bro? Are you serious? Okay. Another SVR, bro.
Southwestern Delaware,
Come on.
Pennsylvania,
Really? Bruh. Come on. Come on, dude. Come on, Mount Holly.
Square, West Grove, Star, Leeville, Eden, Creek, Ashland, Greenville, Lebanon, Cordville, Keswick, West Coast.
Goodness.
Carry a room on the lowest floor of a building. The launch is the cloudy gravity like it is during the Disney night. Winds will soon go into the speed. Variable. If you can be up to 4 feet.
traffic. So maybe stop interfering with KIH28.
A severe thunder warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Delaware and Delaware.
Oh, it's not a quadruple header.
Chesapeake.